Good morning, friends. Let's sing our good morning song. Good morning, Aubrey. Good morning, Aubrey. Good morning, Aubrey. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Dominic. Good morning, Dominic. Good morning, Dominic. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Zanaya. Good morning, Zanaya. Good morning, Zanaya. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Damien. Good morning, Damien. Good morning, Damien. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Renard. Good morning, Renard. Good morning, Renard. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Good morning, Diana. Good morning, Diana. Whoa, good morning, Diana. So glad you're watching school. Woo! Hi, friends. How are you doing this morning? How are you feeling? I'm going to tell you the truth. This morning, Miss Ree was feeling angry. Miss Ree got out of bed and she stubbed her toe and it hurt really bad and I got angry. But now my toe's feeling better and I'm starting to feel happy because I'm talking to you, my friends. How are you feeling this morning? Are you feeling angry like Miss Ree was feeling earlier? Are you feeling tired? Are you feeling sad? Were you crying earlier today? Are you feeling happy? Do you have a smile on your face? Well, I hope after watching school you're feeling happy like Miss Ree is feeling. I want to talk to you about the days of the week. I saw that Miss Connie was telling you about the days of the week. Do you know how many days there are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Let's count. This is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each day of the week has a name. Today is Wednesday. I have a Days of the Week song. Would you like to sing it with me? Okay, this is what we're going to do. When I say a word, I want you to repeat it. Here we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Do you want to do it again? Let's do it again. Remember, repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Those are our 7 days of the week. And today is Wednesday. Who remembers what month it is? Well, it used to be November, but since the last time I saw you, the month has changed. It's now December, so I'm going to change it to December up on our board. Something cool that happens in December is it becomes winter time. That happens toward the end of December. But right now it's still fall, where the leaves are falling, and it's starting to snow. If you look outside, there's a little bit of snow on the ground. But we're still in autumn or fall time. Can you look outside and tell me what you see? What's the weather like? Is it dark outside? Is it cloudy? Well, when Miss Ree looked outside this morning, it was sunshiny. But if you put your hand outside, like Miss Ree did, it's freezing cold. So make sure if you go outside, you bundle up so you don't get too chilly because it's cold. Did any of you play in the snow over the past few days? Oh, Miss Ree did. It was so much fun. If you haven't, you should try it. It's lots and lots of fun. Talking about the snow reminds me of the color of the week. Our color of the week this week is white, and our shape of the week is a rectangle. The snow reminds me of our color of the week because snow is white. Can you see anything in your house that's the color white? Well, when Miss Ree looked around her house, she found some things that are white. Let's take a look. The first thing I found was some white paper towel. We use paper towel to clean up our messes. When I spill things, I clean it up with my white paper towel. Another thing that I found was a white plate. This is what I eat my food on. Another thing I found is a dirty white shoe. This is my daughter's stinky shoe. Pee-you, pee-you. And the last thing I found is this cute little white fluffy dog. What sound does a dog make? If you said, woof, woof, you were right. So our shape of the week is a rectangle. How do we know this is a rectangle? It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, like a square, but 2 of the sides are longer than the other 2. What are some things that are a rectangle? Let's see. Well, a door can be the shape of a rectangle. This blue door is a rectangle. Why don't you look at the door in your house? Is the door in your house a rectangle? Another thing that can be a rectangle is a crayon box. If you have some crayons in your house, take a look at the box. Is that the shape of a rectangle? Another thing that can be the shape of a rectangle is the mail that we get in the mail. Look at the envelope. Does your family get mail that comes in envelopes that is the shape of a rectangle? And finally, another thing that can be the shape of a rectangle is a calculator. We use calculators to do math. You might have a calculator at your house. They're fun to play with. So our shape of the week is a rectangle and our color of the week is white. We've talked about a lot of shapes. Me and Miss Connie have been telling you about shapes for a few weeks now. Let's take a look at some of those shapes. I'm going to show you a shape and you tell me what shape it is. Are you ready? Here we go. What shape is this? If you said oval, you're correct. My lemon is the shape of an oval. Okay, let's take a look at this shape. What shape is this? That's right, it's a triangle. What's something that's a triangle? Oh, a slice of pizza is a delicious triangle. And here's our shape of the week this week. What shape is this? If you said rectangle, you're correct. Miss Ree has a pencil box that's the shape of a rectangle. This is a blue rectangle. What shape is this one? If you said star, you're right. Miss Ree found a cookie cutter star in her kitchen. What shape is this one? That's a square. Miss Ree has a square book called Farm Animals. I read that to you a couple weeks ago. Do you remember that? And finally, our last shape that we have learned is a circle. Miss Ree found a circle plate in her kitchen. I like this plate because it reminds me of the fall time. See all the pretty colored leaves? I ate on these plates for Thanksgiving. Finally, we've been talking about our 5 senses. We've been talking about our eyes. What do we do with our eyes? That's right, we look with our eyes. And we've talked about our sense of touch. We use our fingers and our skin to feel and touch. Remember, we can feel rough and smooth and soft. What else have we talked about? I don't think we've talked about any of the other ones yet. But today we're going to be talking about our sense of smell. Before we do that, I want to teach you a song about the 5 senses. Are you ready? Here we go. Sing along with me. I have 2 eyes so I can see, and nose so I can smell. I have 10 fingers that can touch, they do it very well. I have 2 ears so I can hear the birds up in the tree. I have a tongue inside my mouth to taste the food I eat. So our sense that we're going to learn about this week is the sense of smell. What do you smell with? If you said your nose, you were right. What are some things that you can smell? Well, you use your nose to smell lots and lots of things all around you, and sometimes you don't even notice. But one thing that Miss Rhea likes to smell are flowers. Oh, the flowers smell so beautiful. Another thing that Miss Rhea likes to smell, and you might like to smell too, have you ever smelled when somebody's cooking in your house? Miss Rhea smelled that a couple days ago when we had Thanksgiving. The smell of food smells so delicious and makes me hungry. We can also smell stinky things, like I was telling you earlier. Sometimes there's an old stinky shoe. Ew, P.U. That's not nice to smell. So Miss Rhea is going to read a couple books to you tomorrow. One about your sense of smell, and another one about your nose, and some things you should do with your nose and some things you should not do with your nose. So I will see you tomorrow when I read those books to you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.